How to use Kanopy. Kanopy is an ad-free video streaming platform providing access to films, television programming, and documentaries from around the world. Kanopy can be accessed by going to the e-resources page and clicking on the link on the K tab. You can browse the content in Kanopy by scrolling down the page where you can see films under headings such as classic Hollywood cinema, lifelong learning, anime, film noir, gender representation, human rights, or world cinema. You can scroll across to see more films in that genre or click on the heading where you will find films under different subheadings. Alternatively, you can browse the content by subject, which again is further subdivided. You can search the content by clicking on the search option and typing your search term in the search bar. You can sort the results or filter them by subject or language. Click on a video thumbnail to see more details and play the video. You can also get links to share the video or embed it in a website. It can also be shared by social media or email. You can create your own account within Kanopy. Click on the person icon at the top right of the screen and the Create an Account button. Enter your details and verify your email. Once you have created your personal account, you can add videos to a watch list, either by adding it from the video thumbnail by clicking on the three dots in the top right corner, or from the video details page. Any videos you've started watching or added to your watch list can be found under My Lists. You can create custom playlists and add videos to the list. You can find help by clicking on your name or on the person icon at the top right of the website and choosing Help from the menu.